In the next 2 years, most CEO decisions will not start with intuition. They will start with AI. Right now, artificial intelligence is quietly changing how the world's biggest business decisions are made. Every single day, CEOs make decisions that affect thousands of people and millions of dollars. But most of these decisions are made with incomplete data, limited time, and human bias. That's not a leadership problem, it's a system problem, and AI is fixing that system. Traditionally, executives rely on reports, meetings, and experience. But today's business environment moves faster than humans can analyze. Markets change daily. Customer behavior shifts constantly. Risks appear without warning. Even the best leaders cannot process everything at once. This is where AI changes everything. AI does not replace CEOs. It enhances decision-making. AI systems can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds. They identify patterns humans cannot see. They predict outcomes before decisions are made. Instead of asking, "What do I think?" leaders can ask, "What does the data suggest?" First, predictive insight. AI forecasts trends before they become obvious. This allows leaders to act early instead of reacting late. Second, scenario simulation. AI can test multiple decision outcomes before action is taken. What if costs rise? What if demand drops? What if regulations change? AI evaluates these scenarios in minutes. Third, bias reduction. Humans bring emotion into decisions. AI brings objectivity. It challenges assumptions and highlights uncomfortable truths. This leads to smarter, more balanced decisions. Imagine a CEO deciding whether to expand into a new market. Traditionally, this took weeks of analysis. With AI, market data, risk indicators, and competitor behavior are analyzed in hours. The final decision is still made by the CEO, but now it is supported by intelligence, not guesswork. The future CEO will not be defined by experience alone. They will be defined by how well they work with AI. Companies that integrate AI will move faster. Those that ignore it will struggle to compete. AI will not replace CEOs, but CEOs who understand AI will replace those who don't. Subscribe to the AI CEO for clear insights.